I want to share a real life example of my own mentor, who was a digital coach. He faced the challenge of establishing credibility and competence without the benefit of face to face interactions during the COVID times. But in response, he decided to host a series of webinars, workshops focused on solving critical problems of his tribe. These sessions were meticulously designed, providing valuable insights and practical solutions to establish oneself as a digital coach. Over the time, through his webinars, he garnered loyal followers. Attendees praised the depth of his knowledge and actionable advice he offered. His credibility soared, and he won the trust of not only the participants but also secured new business opportunities with other partners and formed a digital tribe and became the India's best digital coach. Sounds familiar? Hello and welcome to eConsulting Business Podcast. I'm your host Vishwamohan, and today we are diving deep into the topic Webinar Wonders, crafting engaging workshops and webinars for your clients. In the digital age we are in, webinars and workshops have become powerful tools for consultants as well to connect with the clients, share knowledge, establish credibility. What goes into creating these engaging and impactful sessions is what we are going to discuss. Before we explore the strategies for designing exceptional webinars and workshops, I want to just bring back the case study that I highlighted was the transformative power of the webinars and workshops in the online consulting space. My mentor realized it. He went on to become country's best digital coach. That's because he used this platform for showcasing his expertise, building trust, and nurturing client relationship through gamification by solving their problems, by addressing all their important queries that they have in mind, by easing up their journey. So let's understand three compelling reasons why webinars and workshops play a crucial role in building trust and credibility in your online consulting practice. First, they demonstrate your expertise. Hosting informative sessions showcases your knowledge and position as though you are the leader in your field. Second, they provide value upfront. By offering valuable insights and actionable takeaways, you create a positive impression and build trust with your audience. And third, they foster engagement. Webinars and workshops encourage interactive discussions, allowing you to connect with your audience on deeper level. Now that we understood the three reasons why it's important to latch onto this kind of a platform as a workshops and webinars in the online space, let's explore 6 strategies for designing compelling webinars and workshops that attract the right audience and build credibility to secure your future business. Ready? Step 1. Define your objective. Start by clearly defining the goal of your webinar or workshop. What do you want the participants to learn and achieve? Once you know that, it becomes all the more easier to craft that workshop and design, to also know what kind of duration that you expect for them to learn this. Second, you got to know who your audience are. Understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience is the crucial part. Tailor your content to address their specific pain points. And third is create engaging content. Develop content that is informative, relevant, and engaging. Use visuals, case studies, real life examples to make your point memorable and easy for them to digest. It should be palpable and using short exercises and gamification. Step 4 is interactive elements. Encourage interactions during the sessions. Incorporate polls, question and answers, and discussions to keep your participants engaged. Step 5 is practice and rehearse. Before you come onto the stage, you practice. So same is on this online world as well. Practice makes you perfect. Rehearse your webinars, workshops multiple times to ensure it is going smooth and polished delivery comes up. Step 6, follow up and feedback. After the session, follow up with your participants, gather feedback and use it to improve your future webinars and workshops. To enhance your webinar and workshop design skills, consider joining my 6-day workshop, the Consulting Case Challenge. In this program, you will learn the art of value creation by solving real-world business problems for professionals and simultaneously learn how to design your workshops. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that webinars and workshops are not just tools for disseminating information. They are the platforms for building trust, credibility, and lasting client relationships. Thank you for joining me in the eConsulting Business Podcast. I hope you are inspired to craft engaging workshops and webinars that showcases your expertise and elevate you in your consulting practice. Join me in our next episode as we explore more insights on online consulting and the path to financial freedom. Until then, keep crafting, keep connecting, and keep consulting with impact. Signing off, Vishwamurthy.